Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Fun Learning. In this video we are going to learn a word exponent. So here we will understand what is exponent. Exponent. Let's see. An exponent, this is a definition of exponent. An exponent refers to the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. So the definition indicates that a number which is multiplied by itself only. Suppose I will take a number 1 and this number is multiplied many times. So here you can see I have going to multiply this number around, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this number is multiplied 5 times 1, right? So exponent is that we just write this a long multiplication. The number is multiplied here again and again. The repeated multiplication we have to write in a small method and in a very beautiful way. How? Let's see. 1. So 1 is the base. Okay. So we just write, because here you can see then 1 is multiplied and then this is only the number which is multiplied again and again. So we'll take 1, and how many times it multiplied? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it is multiplied 5 times. That means we have to write that 5 upside right hand side. Okay, let's take an example of the other number. Suppose I'll take 2. Look, 2 is multiplying. 2 is repeated multiplied together. So here I will take that 2 as a base, because 2 is the number which is multiplied. And how many times it is multiplied? 1, 2, 3. That 3 we have to write right hand side up a little small. So here you can see that two numbers are involving in base and this power. So now this 2 is called a base. Base, because we are taking that base. The 2 is multiplied many times. So here you can see this 3 is called a power. This 3 is called a power, or you can say exponent. As well as we can say it is an index. Okay, so here this is the beautiful method of writing a number which is repeated multiply together. So that number we have to write in a smallest and cutest way. So that is called an exponent notation. So this 2 is the base, and the power which we put here 3, which you can see there are 3 times 2 is written. So we can write that 3, and that 3 is a power, exponent, or you can call it index. Now I will take first let's see, this is called a exponent notation. Exponential notation, or you can call it a form, or power notation. Okay, so this is that is 2 की power. We can read it like this: 2 is raised to the power 3, or 2 की power 3. So we can read it like that. Suppose I will take another example. Let's take a digit 3. I write that 3. The 3 here is the base, and you can see I write 2 times. So I'll just put that 2 right hand side up of that 3. So we just read this, 3 is raised to the power 2. This is called your exponential notation or power notation. In this case, you can see if I'll take another number, suppose my number, okay, I'll take an alphabet. Suppose I'll take A, and A is multiplied to many times. You can see I multiplied it 4 times. So here A is our base, and the power we can write how many times this A is multiplied together. We have to count it. It is 4 times. We just put 4 at its power. So A is raised to the power 4. Okay, so I will give, suppose there is one more example. Suppose these all digits are in a positive way. If I have a negative 5, then what we will do? Negative 5 is raised to the power 2. Then you can see here I put a bracket. That means this negative sign and is also attached with the base. That means the negative sign is also multiplied with 5. It is a part of a base. So here 5 is the base, negative 5 is the base, and 2 is the power of that negative 5. I hope it is clear to all. Yes? Now let's see more example. Suppose these are the numbers. Suppose I have a number in form of like this, numerator and denominator, and if this is multiplied, look, this is multiplied with itself many times. I will just write the power 4. So if it is multiplied, it means that numerator and denominator, this is a rational number. So numerator and denominator both are repeated multiplication. So here the power is on both the digits. So you can say 2. So this is a rational number. So both are multiplying, both digits. So you can write this. Case you just notice here I used a bracket, and that bracket is indicate that 2/3 is our base. If I write like this, the power 4, it indicates that the upper number or the numerator it has a power 4. But if I use a bracket, it indicates that 2/3 is your base, and this is a power, 4 is a power. Now you can see here this power is in a positive. This power are in a positive notation. So this exponent, the power is exponent is divided into 3 parts. First is the positive exponent. I just write this, positive exponent, and next is a negative exponent. What is that positive exponent and negative exponent? There is one more exponent, and that is 0 exponent. Okay, let's see what it is. Here you see that example of the exponents, and if you notice that all the powers they don't have any sign, that means these powers are positive in nature. So that is called a positive exponent. I'll just show you arrow. Okay, let me give you some more example here. positive, the power with the positive integers, this is defined as a positive exponent. Suppose you have a base, and if I call it base b and the power is 2, so that is a positive exponent. Okay, let me take an example here. 5 multiplied it many times, and you can see 5 is the base and 3 times you use, so here the power is positive power, so this is a positive exponent. Or 7 times 6. Now what is the negative exponent? In that negative exponent, the base has a power which is negative. Negative, yes, like here 2 is written as a positive exponent. So same we can write, if the power is 1, that power should be in a negative. But the power negative exponent is defined like this. But here you can say the b or the base should be a non-zero. Here this exponent, you can change this exponent in a positive. How? Okay, you just reciprocal this base and you will get your exponent in a, you change your exponent in a positive exponent. Let's take base has a negative 1 or negative 1x as an exponent, so we just reciprocal it 1 upon b and the power will change into a positive. So this is called a reciprocal. Suppose I have a power, I have a base 5 and it has a power 3 which is negative. So we have to change, you can change this power, negative exponent into a positive exponent by, with the help of the reciprocal. Just change this into a reciprocal 1 by 5 and you can now write the base. So that base is changing, that exponent is changed into a positive exponent. So this is the example of reciprocal or negative exponent. Now let's come to the zero exponent. Zero exponent, what is that? So zero exponent is also called a empty product. So here base is will be the same as you have, you can see the base all, but the base should be, the base has 0 power. The base has 0 power. This interpretation of such power is an empty product. So this is also called as empty product. But here you can see if the base has a 0 as a power or as a exponent, that the value of that is 1. So I hope kids you will understand the positive exponent, negative exponent and zero exponent. So these are the different 3 exponents. Now what are the uses of these exponents? Uses, yes. So you can see the uses of this exponent is very much, and it is used, this exponential notation is used in many fields. Like you can see this in chemistry, you can see these exponents in physics, as you can see it's in maths also, economics. There are many fields you can, if you see this, you can observe, you can find out these are the exponents. And etc, there are lot of area where we use exponent. I hope this video is help you to know about what is exponent If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and enjoy my video. Thank you.